Hello, my friends, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Ellen here. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all a Southern classic and staple and one of my favorites growing up, cheese grits. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and great to serve any time of the year. Your dad will enjoy this Father's Day breakfast, and I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Creole Red Beans and Rice. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your pot, your grits, and grate up your cheese, sugar, because we're about to cook some cheese grits magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my saucepan, I have my fire over high heat. We're going to add in 2 cups of water and 1 1/4 cups of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. Going to make the grits creamier. And all we do is bring it to a boil. And while the liquid is coming to a boil, let's go ahead and grate our cheese. And I recommend grating it yourself instead of buying it already shredded, because it don't have any fillers and it melts better. I'm using an 8-ounce block of Colby-Jack cheese. Alrighty, I am through grating my cheese. We're going to use half inside the grits and the other half to sprinkle on top. Now I'm going to set this aside. Let's take a look at our liquid. Alright, my friends, the liquid has came to a boil. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Gotta flavor those grits. Or you can use regular table salt. Now we're going to slowly add and whisk in 1 cup of quick cooking grits. And you want to whisk them constantly so that way the grits won't be lumpy. Now we're going to return it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the grits has came back to a boil, so now we're going to cover it and cut the fire down to simmer, and we're going to let them cook for 30 minutes and whisk them constantly so our grits won't be lumpy. And if the grits is too thick, you can add in more half and half or water during the cooking time. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through cooking my grits. Look how nice and creamy they are. That looks great. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Now it's time to add in the last few ingredients. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, of course. Can't have grits without butter. Our seasonings, a half a teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper, or you can use black pepper. And our freshly grated Colby-Jack cheese. And we're going to stir this in until the butter and cheese melts. And I cut my fire off. Alright, my friends, the butter and cheese has melted. Look at this creamy goodness. Oh, my mouth's watering. Now our cheese grits is ready to serve. So I'm going to pour it into my bowl and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have poured my grits into my bowl, and there's 2 more things we got to add to it. Some more butter, of course. We love lots of butter in our grits. And we're going to sprinkle on the rest of the remaining Colby-Jack cheese. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Southern cheese grits. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to serve me up a bowl, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have fixed me up a bowl and I added some more cheese and butter. So now I'm going to stir it so it can melt. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Super creamy, cheesy, and very buttery. These cheese grits are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Ooh, look at that cheese string. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cheese grits-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy Father's Day.